Chippers, welcome to another edition of Chipper's Wood Shop. What we're going to do today is, I've always wanted to build a raised vegetable garden in the backyard. So I've made this area here into the area where we're going to actually build our raised boxes so we can grow vegetables. We're going to go down now to the saw and we're going to do some measurements and do a couple cuts. Alright, now that we've looked at the area where we are going to actually build the raised vegetable garden, now we've got our wood here that we want to cut. So what's the first thing that we need? We need our safety glasses. So we make sure that we have our safety glasses. And I decided, after laying it out and measuring everything up there, that I want to make each box 5 foot by 3 foot. So what we're going to do is we're going to measure our 5 feet, which is right there. I'm going to put a mark. So I've got that marked off. Now we're going to take our square. And what kind of square is this? This is a combination square. And I'm going to come up over here and we're going to draw our line across. Now that we have our line, what kind of saw is this? This is a miter saw. I'm going to cut this wood. So we're going to get it all lined up. And remember safety. Our hand always has to stay outside the area there. So here we go. We're going to cut this. And on this particular one, this 10-inch saw blade isn't big enough, so we got to flip the board over to make our cut all the way through. So we got it lined up, square, hand out of the way. And there's our cuts. The next segment that we're going to tape is actually building the box up there. So I'll see you in the shop.